Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing my favorite shorts, the Nike Woven shorts, man. We're going to go over the new colors. We're going to go over the fit, the price. Is it still the same? And you know it's only right that I give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So you already know the vibes, man. Nike Woven shorts, they're like the most versatile, best pair of shorts you can buy, you feel me? So right now we got some new colors. They released maybe like, I want to say like 7 new colors, and I picked up a few of those. So it's like, it's only right that I bring that to the peelback gang, you feel me? So first color, and I feel like an essential color you have to grab is this navy blue. You feel me? I've been waiting for a navy blue color to come out for some, at least maybe 2 or 3 years. And it's finally here, man. So let's go over the woven shorts. You feel me? We have this new design, which they did change from last year, which does have a little bit of a curve in the on the side hem right here. We have the classic Nike logo right here on the left. And one thing that I do like about these is the versatility. Like I said, you can go ahead and wear these if you want to work out. If you want to put like a nice, you know, kind of athletic outfit on, these look great. If you want to get into the pool, these will do. And when it comes to the pool portion, on the back there used to be a back pocket with a little rivet, you know, so if any water got in, it'll kind of come out. But on the new design, they went ahead and took out that rivet, and if you can see on the inside there's like a little bit of mesh, so if you do wear these in the pool, the water won't pool up in your back pocket. It'll still go ahead and flow right on out. Speaking of the back pocket, we do have a flap, and we have that little drawstring. Well, it's not even really a drawstring, it's more of like a rubber band where you can clip your keys onto, stuff like that, so that they're definitely secure in here. We have that Nike patch right here on that back pocket. Nice white classic drawstrings. And when you have colors like this, I call them your basic essential colors, because this navy blue will go with pretty much everything. You already know I'm giving you outfit ideas, man. We have 2 very nice deep pockets on these joints. And another thing I like is that the inside is all mesh, so you can't go wrong with the all mesh. Let me go ahead and put something on so you can see what it looks like on body. And right here I do have the woven shorts in that navy blue. Definitely a classic color you can't really go wrong with. Went ahead and threw it on with the Minnesota Twins t-shirt. The shorts good for any occasion, like I said, daytime especially. I mean, they're lightweight, can't really go wrong with that classic design. Got the Minnesota Twins hat to go along with the shirt, you feel me? Hat matches the shirt, shirt matched the shorts. And you know we got the Air Max 1 big bubbles on right there, you feel me? Just to bring everything together, man. Very classic look, perfect for the summer, relaxed fit. You're gonna be able to go out, have a good time with this on. And my next color right here, we do have this light Menta. That's the name, the official name. So if you want to find these, you can look up Nike Woven Shorts Light Menta. So it's kind of like a mint green type color right here. We have the classic Nike logo on that left leg. Now on these, the design isn't in white. It's like of a little, like of a purplish light color, lavender almost. But it's the exact same shorts. We have the 2 pockets on the side. Right here, we do have the tag. I haven't worn these yet, so we still got the tag on these joints. But this is the standard fit above knee length. So remember, this is going to let the knees show, you feel me? It's not super short. It's not like a 5-inch inseam, but these right here will let the knees show. Gives it that athletic vibe. We got the white drawstrings, same mesh on the inside. And the retail price on these joints is still $50. Now, these have been out for a while. There's only been one price increase. They started off at 45 bucks, and that was a couple years ago. And I know you're like, man, Ace, what you know about a couple years ago? Man, I've been buying these shirts for a long time. I want to say I have like 27 or 28 pair in my collection, and I've done like multiple videos. So go ahead and check out some of my past videos. I have one video with like 20 different colors in there. But anyway, back to these, you feel me? The price is 50 bucks, and that changed last year from 45 to 50. But you know, I'm still a big fan. We got that back pocket right here, same features. You do have that flap. You also have that little bungee that you can clip keys or anything like this too. But yeah, this is just another clean color for the summer. And right here I do have on the shorts that light menta. You feel me? One thing that I do really like about the woven shorts, the drawstring is nice, it's long. Even if you tie it up, you still get some decent hang time on the drawstrings, you feel me? But another thing that I like about them is that they usually come out with a shirt that is the same color. So right here I also have the light menta Nike shirt. And these shirts are usually about 20 to 25 bucks, but it's a very easy combo, you feel me? If you don't really want to, you know, work too hard on matching or something, you go ahead and get the shirt, get the shorts, got the all white Air Max 97s on, you feel me? Because I like a pair of all white shoes. If I'm going to go top and bottom same color, I definitely like to go with all white on the shoes. Usually Forces, but right here I went ahead and went with the Air Max 97s. Definitely a good look. All right, and next, you know, we've been talking about the Nike woven shorts, and you know, they're like your essential classic shorts, you feel me? They can match with a whole lot of stuff. Now, this is something that's a little bit different. I have to tell you guys about this just in case you haven't seen my video. Mesh shorts, you feel me? Now right here I have a pair of mesh shorts from Kinetic Kings. Now you wear the Nike woven shorts if you want like the t-shirt or maybe your shoes to be like the star of the outfit, but if you want your shorts to be the star of the outfit, then you need some Kinetic Kings woven shorts, because just look at the pattern, look at the design. If you have some shorts like this, then this will attract all of the attention, and you can go a little bit lighter on the t-shirt, or you can go like plain on the t-shirt, plain on the kicks, because the shorts have all the design that you need. Right here I do have a pair white. You get some of those nice royal blues, some baby blues, some grays, you feel me? Very nice. These do have a 5-inch inseam on them, so they're very athletic. When you put them on, you're gonna look very athletic, man. We have the nice pockets on these as well. Very nice, dope pair of shorts, man. You can check out Kinetic Kings for these shorts. They have a whole bunch of other different prints, different colors, and I did a video on that, so make sure you go ahead and check out that video, you feel me? Because I definitely got some heat, but I gotta show you what those look like on body as well. And right here I do have the mesh shorts on, just to give you that on body. I mean, you see how the shorts really stand out because of that pattern right there. And I also went ahead and threw it on with the Air Jordan 1 lows, you feel me? Something light, but it seems heavy though, you feel me? Very nice combo right here. And like I said, I did a video with all these shorts, the mesh shorts as well. I believe I have about 4 or 5 different colors, so definitely check that video out. Went ahead with the Strokes t-shirt. That's a concert tee right there. And then we went ahead and finished it off with that Hat Club hat. You know, I got the Toronto Blue Jays cookies and cream on, and I mean, it's just an overall good look, but I really like how you can really focus in on the shorts with this outfit. All right, and back to business, man. We have another pair of woven shorts. Now this is a printed pair, so you know, most like the 90% of the woven shorts are going to be all a single color. Now these right here do have a print, and as you can see, the print is fire right here. We have the default Racket Club woven shorts right here, man. Very nice navy blue. You know, we get that checker. We got some greens. We got some burgundies. And I really definitely like this pair of woven shorts. So that's just in case you want the shorts to be a little bit more of the focal point of the outfit. Then you can go with a printed pair. Now the only thing is they don't do very many printed pairs. The majority are like the single colors right here. But these are fire, man. You already know the vibes when it comes to these. I did a full video on these and another color as well with the matching polo. So maybe I'll go ahead and put it on with the polo so you can see what that looks like, man. But the exact same shorts, same construction. We got that back pocket, you feel me? Same flap right here. We do have the nice long pockets, drawstrings, mesh interior, and I did get all of these in a size medium. Now my body size, I'm 6 feet 175 pounds, and I got a size medium in everything. And right here I do have the shorts on, and I mean, I'm really digging this look because you still get the comfort of the woven shorts, but you almost get an elevated look with the gold patchwork on the shorts. And you got the matching polo. Polo has the exact same pattern as the shorts do. So I mean, it's a fit that belongs together. It was meant to be together. So we gonna put it on together, you feel me? But I went ahead and threw on the Air Force Ones. They have a little bit of that burgundy right there, you feel me? That burgundy ties in with the shorts. And I mean, overall, I think it's just a really good look. You still get that comfort of the woven shorts, but it's an elevated look. Went ahead and threw on the glasses as well, just to give it a little bit more of an elevation, man. But definitely a good look right here. And last but definitely not least, man, we have the Nike woven shorts in the gray. Now, I would say that this is an essential color, man. So if you're just starting out, I say your top 3 colors that you want to go for: red, black, or gray, because the gray will go with just about everything. I mean, you can't go wrong. Since I've got these, I've probably gotten the most use out of this color. It's like black is always going to be #1, but this gray, I have been waiting for it for a while. It finally came. I didn't wait for any type of sale or anything like that. I said I'm jumping right on these paws, you feel me? So we got the nice gray. Like I said, the shorts don't change much. We have the exact same drawstrings. We have the same side pocket, same mesh on the inside. I mean, just a classic pair of shorts, man, and they go with just about everything, like I said, man. So let me go ahead and show you what these look like on body. And as you can see, I have the shorts on right here, and this is just another look at how versatile they are. We went ahead and went with the Red Bulls jersey with the lost and found Jordan 1s. Now, you would usually think, okay, if I'm wearing, you know, white and red, black and red Jordans, I should put on black shorts. But I went ahead and threw the gray shorts on just to show you how versatile they are. They can go with pretty much any outfit. And I went ahead and threw on the shades as well, you know, just to kind of, you know, give it that little summer swag right there. Got the Louis shades on, got the Mitchell & Ness authentic jersey on, man. But I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know which pair of shorts were your favorite out of this video. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie. I got more heat coming, and I'm out.